One down. Okay, so the student booked me for a free conversation, but I think he just decided to change it to a daily news. Okay, so ganun dito guys. Sometimes you really need to confirm. Okay, so I thought it was really a free conversation, and the student is really good in speaking the language. All right, narinig nyo naman how he speaks. Sometimes he just lost for words, but he can really speak well. Okay, so in this lesson na naman guys, we will be okay, so let's check the student. Okay, so he wants an introduction. Okay, so 22 lessons. Okay, so bago pa talaga ito sa Engoo na estudyante. The student is there already. Oh, hi!
Hi,
Okay, good afternoon. My name is Jacko, so I'm gonna be your tutor for today. So, how would you like me to call you? Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you.
Okay, how are you today?
Good.
Okay, it's good to know that you're doing good. Okay. And yeah, okay, can you hear me clearly just to check?
Yes,
Okay, what about my video? Can you see me clearly?
yes.
Okay, good. Okay, thank you for that confirmation. Well, as I can see here, you wanted to do an introduction, right? So
Okay,
let's do the introduction, okay?
okay.
So let me do it first. All right. Again, I'm Jacko. I'm from Davao City, Philippines. Have you been to the Philippines?
I've never been to.
Okay. But you're always welcome to visit here, okay? After the pandemic, of course.
Yeah.
All right. And in a university, I finished a degree in business and accounting. Okay, I'm a former accountant and also a former professor in a university. I taught business and research subjects. Okay, but now I am now a full-time online tutor here in DMM. All right, and I like Japanese food. I like sushi, takoyaki, sashimi, okonomiyaki, ramen, Japanese kimchi. So maybe in my past life, I'm a Japanese. Okay. Just kidding. All right. Well, what about you? Okay, now, what got you interested in football? Like, are you a football player now in the university?
No, uh, not now, but
Mm.
I have I have played
Ah,
football since
okay.
until high school.
Ah, okay. Are you an excellent football player?
I was. uh,
I was. Why I was?
um, Now I cannot run fast. I cannot.
Okay.
Uh,
Maybe you lack practice, right?
yeah.
Okay, so practice more. Okay. All right. Well, as I can see here, you want to do a daily news material, right?
Yes.
Okay. I think we're now here in the material. Can you please read the title of our article today?
Okay.
Yeah, please read the title.
Domino's Pizza tests robotic delivery car.
Okay. Domino's Pizza tests robotic delivery car. Okay. Wow, this is really nice. Okay. Let me check. Okay. Let us see. Wow. Okay. This is the delivery car. Okay, robotic. All right. Well, before the article, let's do the vocabulary. Okay. So
Okay.
listen and repeat after me. All right.
Yeah.
So we have the first word, which is a noun, delivery.
Delivery.
The act of bringing letters, parcels, etc. somewhere.
The act of bringing letters, parcels, etc. somewhere.
Uber Eats is my favorite food delivery service.
Uber Eats is my favorite food delivery service.
React.
React.
To behave in response to someone or something.
mm, To behave in response to someone or something.
I'm ashamed of how I reacted when I found out I lost the competition.
I'm ashamed of how I react when I found out I lost the competition.
Do you have any questions?
What is the meaning of ashamed? I think.
It is like a negative feeling
Mhm.
of being regretful or um, guilty. Okay, let me put
Okay.
that in your chat box. Okay,
Okay.
regretful or guilty. Okay,
Okay.
it's a negative feeling. Okay, so meaning you're ashamed of yourself because you reacted negatively. Okay,
Okay.
all right, is that clear now?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, what else?
Uh, no.
Okay, this time let's move to exercise 2. Okay, so let's read the article by paragraph. Just repeat after me. Okay,
Okay.
so let's start with the title: Domino's Pizza tests robotic delivery car.
Domino's Pizza tests robotic delivery car.
The future has arrived in 30 minutes or your money back.
The future has arrived in 30 minutes or your money back.
Domino's Pizza has partnered with American robotics company Nuro to test a robot car pizza delivery service in Houston, Texas.
Domino's Pizza has partnered with American robotics company Nuro to test a robot car pizza delivery service in Houston, Texas.
This isn't the first time Domino's has tried a new way of delivering its pizzas. In 2016, the company made the world's first pizza delivery by drone. The delivery was in the town of Whangaparua, New Zealand, and the pizza was in the air for less than 5 minutes.
It isn't the first time Domino's has tried a new way of delivering its pizzas. In 2016, the company made the world's first pizza delivery by drone. The delivery was in the town of Wanga, Wangaparaola, New Zealand, and the pizza was in the air for less than 5 minutes.
Okay, so that's
And
the article.
I have no question.
Okay, this time I'm gonna check your understanding about the article. Are you ready?
Okay,
Okay, we have here question number 1. How will the customers get their food from the vehicle?
uh, cus- customer will get text about the vehicle location and they will be given a number by the minute. When it arrives, the customer enters the number onto the vehicle touch
Mm,
screen and open the vehicle and let them get their food.
okay, exactly. Okay, very good. Smith. Okay, so
Uh,
that's it. All right, now
okay,
we have done. Okay, exercise number
okay.
3. This time I'm gonna need your thoughts and opinions about the article. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, now what are your thoughts on Domino's robotic delivery service?
Uh, um, I think I think the Domino's robotic delivery service is very innovative.
Wow, okay, innovative, right? Innovative or innovative.
Mm.
Do you have that one in Japan too?
I know the Domino's shop, but I don't
Mm,
know the
the,
robotic delivery service.
okay, hopefully one day. Would you like to try the service one day
Uh,
if it's available?
yes.
Yeah, it's good to try, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Now, what are the most popular food delivery apps where you live?
Uh, Now, um, in my hometown,
Mm,
the most popular food delivery apps is Uber Eats.
Uber, okay.
Um,
What about Food
um,
Panda? Do you have Food Panda?
I don't know about
Mm,
Food Panda.
mm,
Uh,
okay. in the Philippines, the famous, okay, or
Uh,
the popular, the most popular food delivery is Food Panda. So, and then we also have Uber and then Grab. Okay, do you have
mm,
Grab in Japan?
Grab?
Yeah, Grab delivery.
I, I I haven't heard.
Okay, so
Uh,
maybe only Uber. Okay,
Uber and I know another one, but I don't know the one.
the name. Okay, it's okay. Now, would you be concerned of if automated cars were being tested in your town?
um,
Like driverless car, no driver?
yes, I I feel really scared, but
Mm, little bit scared.
little bit scared.
Okay, so I'm a little bit scared. Or you can say I'm a little scared, okay? A little scared. Let me put that in your chat box. Okay, I'm a little scared. Yeah, it's really
I'm a little
scary.
scared.
Yeah, it's really scary. Okay. Yeah, I think I heard there's a driverless bus in Japan. Have you heard about that?
Driverless,
Uh,
what?
driverless bus.
Uh, uh, I, I've never seen.
Yeah, driverless bus. Okay, I have heard a news. I don't know if it's from Japan or other country. Okay,
Uh,
driverless bus. Okay, yeah, it's a little scary. Okay, all right. Now
yeah.
let's move to further discussion. Okay, so do you like pineapple on pizza? Why not?
Yes, I like.
Okay, so you
In
like
in my
Hawaiian.
child in my childhood, I cannot eat pineapple pizza, but
Mm.
now now I can eat.
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah, it's like in the Philippines we have Hawaiian pizza. Like there's a lot of pineapple toppings. Okay, so
Uh,
I also like it because it's sweet. Okay.
yeah,
All right. What are your favorite pizza toppings?
I like margherita, some
Okay.
cheese and basil,
Okay. I also like
um,
cheese. Why do you like it?
because simple and
Simple and delicious, right?
delicious. Yeah.
Okay. Now, what's the worst pizza you've ever had? What made it so bad? Like if there
Um,
is. The worst pizza.
Last bit,
Like not delicious.
chocolate pizza. Chocolate
Chocolate pizza. No, we don't have
was
chocolate pizza. Why? What made it so bad for you?
uh, it's it's really sweet, so
Okay.
it's too sweet, so I cannot eat.
Now let's move to the final one, okay? So anyone who says money can't buy happiness clearly has never spent their money on pizza. It's from Andrew WK. Do you know anyone who dislikes pizza?
I don't know.
Today, before we end, do you have any questions?
I don't know questions.
Okay, so today we were able to read and discuss article entitled Domino's Pizza Test Robotic Delivery Car. Okay, so
Okay,
great job for today. Okay, thank you by the way for really expressing yourself today. Okay, I like that you really tried your best. You know what, in expressing your thoughts and opinions. Okay, I like that. Right. However, I noticed that you're having pauses when you speak. So just keep on increasing your vocabulary. Right, 3 to 5 new words a day, it will be enough for you, okay, to help
okay,
you become more fluent in speaking the language. But you're there already, you can speak, you can communicate, you can have an engaging conversation, so keep it up. Bye for now. Enjoy the rest of the night. Hope to see you again. Okay? Bye bye.
okay. See you. Thank you.